it was up to the window. The one was 5 foot in water. All right, Paul, we haven't seen you in a while.
Yeah.
Not on our channel anyways.
No.
So we are currently on our way to our brother's house. We have a brother that lives in North Carolina.
We do.
And, one of the things that we talked about when we were coming back from Wyoming this past spring was there's a lot of back roads in this country that we haven't seen. A lot.
A whole lot.
I mean, I've lived in Virginia. I'm closer to 50 than I want to admit. And there's places in Virginia, like we're on a road right now that I don't believe I've ever been through some of these towns.
Yep.
So I'm kind of getting, I don't know. I've been looking forward to just doing more back road traveling in general. And
well, you don't see the real America unless you come on the back roads.
I think that's true. Yeah, I think that's true. So that's kind of what we're doing today. We're kind of taking some back roads and just seeing some stuff we haven't really seen before. The truth is, this is a lot of what overlanding is, right? I mean, we go out and we do some cool stuff and we go off road and we see some cool sights, but you also spend a heck of a lot of time on the pavement. Heck of a lot of time.
Yes.
Especially when you live on the East Coast, yeah. So I think this is not going to be like our normal episode.
Yeah.
But
hopefully get to see our other brother.
We'll go see our other brother, check out his farm.
Where are we?
We're down near Danville, Virginia. Danville.
There's something there. There's a racetrack there, right?
Yeah, VIR is down there, that area.
VIR. Been through some cute small towns today.
We have been, yeah. And a couple I don't think we've ever seen.
Ooh, yeah, that's right. Roads we haven't been on today.
Yeah. Which is pretty shocking for as long as we lived in Virginia.
It is. Alright, let's change jobs. You open this. Here. You open the cream cheese and put it in the bowl. Can you do that?
Yes. Hey, baking. Baking is fun.
Fixing breakfast for everybody. Fixing us breakfast. You're a good man. Some good looking pancakes there. Are they good?
Mm-hmm.
Dead cat. Dead cat.
Super yummy pancakes. Leslie made this
Delicious bacon.
Yeah.
Leslie made the bacon.
Leslie likes to talk a lot. Good morning, Leslie.
How's your day going?
It's going good. Got a little bike ride in out in the country. It's good. It's sunny. It's a lot warmer than we expected it to be.
It is a lot warmer. I'm happy I found a pink cup. Hi. You guys are cooking up what?
Some Thai food, which is a meat salad. Our another name is Lab, L-A-R-B. So it's gonna be healthy, like appetizer before lunch. So we have, this is like red shallots, mint, lime, green onions, fresh cilantro, and meat, of course. And then we're gonna mix it up. We cook it first and mix it up with rice powder that we already cooked and grab it. Rice powder, fit sauce that we brought it. Fit sauce, garlic powder, crushed pepper. Yeah, that's gonna be easy. And it's gonna be a little bit spicy, a little bit fishy and sour.
Nice. Bringing some chai to the Thanksgiving dinner.
Right.
Got a bee here.
Excellent.
So
A little honeybee or something.
we'll see.
All right. Well, we're excited.
Yes.
Driveway camping.
Yes. Yes.
It's the best.
End of our little Thanksgiving get together with my brother who lives in North Carolina.
Yes. Thanksgiving is officially over.
Thanksgiving's not officially over. We did it at our house.
Yep.
We did it at my brother's house.
Yep.
We camped in his driveway.
Yeah. That was kind of nice.
Yeah, it was good. Worked out.
I liked it.
It was significantly colder last night than it was the first night.
Yes.
Like, significantly.
Frost this morning on the tent.
Yeah. But I guess that's it. Now we're headed home. Gotta unpack, clean up, and relax. We've been going hard for several days.
Yeah. Several days.
It's gonna get a little relaxation time.
I'm excited to have nothing to do.
Yeah.
to edit, apparently.
Now you're gonna do some. Yeah. We have a whole episode you haven't even edited yet. An episode like we're doing like real TV. Our last adventure. Say that. You haven't even edited from our last outing.
No.
What's our next adventure after this?
I don't know. I wanted to go to Texas, but
I'm still looking at Texas. Texas is still potentially an option if we go to Big Bend Ranch State Park. All of Big Bend National Park is full.
yeah.
It's all the backcountry camping passes are taken through like January.
The outdoors are so crowded now.
I know the outdoors are very crowded now.
It's
So we
hard.
could still end up in Texas at the end of December/January, maybe.
Where I want to go is anywhere there's a merry-go-round.
Yes.
If you know of a playground that has an existing merry-go-round, comment below. I will go there.
Nobody's gonna make it this far in this video. They'll never hear you say that.
Maybe not. I happen to believe there's some really cute animals on this video.
Yeah.
Yes.
My brother does have quite the farm going.
Yes. Anyways, they'll know that once they've made it this far.
Yeah.
All right, is that it?
That's it.